a review one, especially of beauty products about which I am very skeptical because I rarely or I usually do not do makeup or beauty products review, but I received this PR a few weeks back and I wanted to make a video on this as I promised in my vlog a few videos back. So I am going to talk about these products today. The products that I received are from M Caffeine. So this is a very popular brand and I have heard about them a lot, although I have not used any of their products. This is my first time. So of course I received a PR from them, but this is going to be an honest review. I have used this for two to 3 weeks and only after then I am sharing my review with you guys. So let's just get into the review. The first product that I'm going to talk about is this coffee scrub. So first of all, talking about the packaging, I love the packaging. I love the black sturdy color. It's made up of cardboard, but this cardboard is really sturdy and firm. So I keep my face scrub still inside it. So if you are using it in bathroom, you can keep it there, but I have kept the cardboard piece so to show it to you guys. And the ingredients are really nice. It's made up of coffee, but along with coffee there are some other ingredients which you will find written here. Also the directions for use are also written there. So there are a lot of ingredients, but the main one, as the name suggests, like naked and raw coffee face scrub, coffee is of course there. So when you are using this, there are some minute particles which you will be feeling on your skin, and if you use exfoliators or scrubs, I think that is very common because we have those minute particles in every scrub and exfoliators. So the thing about this is that it's not itchy or annoying or irritating. When I used it, I found it to be very soothing and very healing. I know it sounds really weird because minute particles are soothing your skin, but it does have that effect, at least on my skin. It makes my skin feel really fresh and I really like the coffee fragrance of it. And I have been using this. I use this 2 times a week and I really love the results I get after that. Like my skin feels really fresh and nice and very soft and supple. So let me show you guys how it looks from the inside. So it is like this. There's a tube kind of a thing. You just open it and then you use it like a normal scrub kind of a thing. So I really love this. Love the coffee fragrance. Even if you open it just for a few seconds, you will get the coffee fragrance. And I love drinking coffee, and now that I have this, I really love this. And coffee is such a great scrub. Like even if you are DIYing, we use coffee for a natural kind of a scrub thing. So I really like this one. From them is their naked and raw coffee face wash. So talking about this one, I use the scrub first and then I use the face wash. Again, same packaging. Love the classy black color. Directions to use and ingredients are written here if you want to check it out. Again, the face wash is really nice. You just have to put some water on your face and lather it around like normal face washes like we use. I really like this one as well. Again, it comes with a coffee fragrance. So if you are someone who loves coffee, then you are good to go with this one. And if you do not, then I don't think it's that intoxicating. The smell is really mild, or like it's a good fragrance. I don't think people or anyone would find it to be intoxicating. Again, I like this face wash very much. I have been using this regularly 2 to 3 times. Like I use this 2 times a day, and like I've been using it regularly for 2 to 3 weeks. And I have a very sensitive skin and I have an oily skin, so like it's very difficult for me to find a good face wash that matches my oily skin type and also does not cause any allergic reactions to it, because I get rashes and my skin is sensitive, so I get rashes and allergies really soon and some little bumps here and there. But this did not cause any of that, and that is very rare because whenever I'm using any new product, it causes at least some kind of rashes. Not all the products, but mostly generally it happens. But I was really surprised and amazed with it. Loved it, loved the fragrance, loved how it works. And again, after using this one, it makes your skin feel so fresh and so rejuvenated. I really love its effect. Like you will feel your skin just by one wash, and I mean it, just by one wash you will feel that your skin is like a little bit softer than it was earlier. So let me show you guys how this one looks. Again, it looks similar to the previous one, just a face wash is written there, same packaging, and it's like, you know, the same kind of tube type of thing which we get. So here is the nozzle, you just press it and you get what you want, that is your face wash. That was for today's review. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this. If you did, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and comment anything nice down below, or if you have any queries or questions, you can of course ask me in the comment section and I'll answer them. And if you want these items, if you want to check them out, then their links will be down below in the description box. I would not get any commission out of it, but if you guys want to purchase it for yourself, or if you guys want to check it out, then you can check it out from the link in the description box down below. And also, I'll see you in my next one, which is going to be a fashion haul video. I know I told that my next video is going to be a fashion haul, but I had to make this video first because I promised it to you guys, and I think it was getting really late and delayed for some purposes. So anyways, if you guys want to check out with me in the meantime, you guys can follow me on my Instagram. I post there a lot and I am more active there. So I really hope to see you guys next time. Till then, bye bye.